In this video, I will show you how to set up optional equipment within EWR. When we say optional equipment, we are referring to added-on items that your rental center offers for each booked reservation, such as linen packages, bathroom towel sets, kitchen service for 4, bike racks, camping chairs, and the list can go on, but you get the idea. To set up optional equipment, I'll navigate to Admin, Lookups, Optional Equipment List. Here you can see that there is already some optional equipment set up. Over here in the upper right corner, you would find your specific location if you have more than one. This particular database we are working with right now does have more than one, as you can see when I select the drop-down list. But we're going to stay at the main location. Now we can add a new item by selecting Add New in the lower left corner. And then you just simply overwrite whatever you see in these boxes here. Now I've gone ahead and added this information just to move the video along, but let me explain what I've added. You just give it a quick ID. I said pads. I've added a brief description in the name field. The location comes in by default, depending on which location that you selected above on the right side. Now the calculate field gives you the option to rent by the day or by the trip. In this particular case, it's going to be by the day. And then over here to the left, you'll put the cost. How much is it per day? These check boxes here determine whether or not these items will show on certain paperwork. And in this case, I have the quote checked because I do want to see it on the quote. I'll show you where that is later on. Over here, this checkbox, you would check whether it's taxable or non-taxable. In this case, it's not taxable, so we're going to leave that unchecked. This box here is asking how many you have of this particular item. Here I'm saying I have 3 sets of these pads, but the maximum allowed per rental would go in this box here. Currently, the upload image option is not available, but a future update, you will be able to add photos of your optional equipment in order to give your customers the ability to view that particular item while requesting a reservation using our optional iframe. I will explain how the iframe works in another video. Now that I have this item set up, let's jump into a reservation and I'll show you where this item will appear. From the main menu, I'll select the rental calendar. I'll scroll down. Over here, I see the segue. Here's a reservation. I'll double click to open it. Then if we come down here to the equipment tab, I'll just start typing in pads, and there it is. I'll hit enter. It's asking how many, say 1. There's your cost. You see that the tax box is not checked. And then over here, you'll see that the total is there under the optional equipment, and it has adjusted the total price. And if I bring up the rental contract for preview, we can see that the optional equipment is listed for us right here. That's how to set up your optional equipment within EWR. In our next video, I'll show you how to set up your contracts so they print the correct information for the vehicle category or class that is being rented.